Can I make the world's biggest fuzzball? In my last video, I was making the filling for it by mixing clay and shaving cream, but I totally ruined it. It turned into these really hard chunks, but you guys gave me so many recommendations in the comments, so we have a solution and we're finally gonna make the world's biggest fuzzball. First, I do not want to waste this clay, so the best can I make the world's biggest, then you would know that I've the perfect texture. So I started filling up my fuzzball skin with it, and finally, here's the result. It feels just like
If you get purple, there's a demon behind you.
I bet this video can't get the same number of likes.
If you fall into a volcano crater, you should
You're dead.
Say no. My hair is so alive.
straight hair, straight hair.
This is what keeps me from going crazy in class. Take some flour and add a bit of hand cream and liquid soap. Mix it together until it turns